10 best Paris tours you shouldn't miss. Discover the magic of Paris. Paris, the city of lights, love, and layers of history that stretch back centuries. But what if I told you there's more to Paris than just the Eiffel Tower and croissants? What if I could take you on a journey through the hidden gems, secret catacombs, and unforgettable dinners on the Seine? Today, we're diving into the 10 best tours in Paris. Some classic, some unexpected, but all absolutely magical. Whether it's your first visit or your 10th, these tours will make you fall in love with Paris all over again. Let's begin. 1. The Eiffel Tower Tour. A must-see. Reimagined, it's iconic. It's breathtaking. But trust me, with a guided Eiffel Tower tour, it's not just about climbing metal stairs. Learn the secrets of Gustave Eiffel. See Paris from dizzying heights. And, if you time it right, catch the sunset lighting up the Seine like a golden ribbon. Combine it with summit access, and this becomes more than a photo op. Bateau's Parisian's Dinner Cruise. Romance on the Seine. Imagine gliding under the twinkling bridges of Paris, wine in hand, music playing softly, as the Notre Dame and Louvre glide past your window. That's the Bateau's Parisian's Dinner Cruise, a feast for the eyes and the palate. Gourmet French cuisine, a gentle river breeze, and a view of Paris that's even more beautiful than in the movies. Babylon Tours. Louvre and Orsay combo tour, 2 world-class museums in one unforgettable day. The Babylon Louvre and Orsay combo tour isn't just about skipping lines, it's about stories. From Da Vinci's Mona Lisa to Van Gogh's Starry Night, expert guides bring art to life with drama, scandal, and inspiration. You'll walk away with more than just photos. You'll carry centuries of artistic genius in your memory. Catacombs Tour. A walk with the dead. Beneath the streets of Paris lies a darker world, the catacombs. But don't worry, you won't be alone. With Walk's Skip the Line Special Access Tour, you'll see parts of the catacombs most never do. Learn how millions came to rest in this haunting underground maze, and why Paris had to bury its secrets deep below. Eerie? Yes, unforgettable. Secret Food Tours. Paris. Montmartre. Want to taste the real Paris? Then follow your guide through Montmartre, where every cobbled street hides a culinary treasure. Secret Food Tours doesn't just feed your belly, it feeds your soul. From fresh pastries to aged cheeses, hidden wine bars to local stories. This tour is Parisian authenticity on a plate. Hidden Paris Bike Tour. Discover the undiscovered. Ditch the tour bus. Grab a bike and let Paris unfold before you. The Hidden Paris Bike Tour takes you away from the tourist traps and into the city's heart. Canals, courtyards, and colorful neighborhoods you'd never find on your own. It's adventure, exercise, and enchantment all in one ride. XL Tours. Segway tour through the city. Feel the wind in your hair and the city at your feet. The XL Segway Tour is perfect for those who want to cover more ground with 0 foot pain. Cruise by the Eiffel Tower, less invalids, and more, with a knowledgeable guide and a futuristic twist. It's like sightseeing meets sci-fi. And yes, it's as fun as it sounds. Retro Tour Paris. Ride like a local in the 1960s. Ready for the coolest ride of your life? Hop into a vintage sidecar with Retro Tour Paris and see the city through the eyes of a rebel poet. This isn't just transport, it's time travel. From secret alleys to panoramic views, your helmeted guide will take you on a ride filled with history, humor, and unexpected turns. Montmartre Free Walking Tour. The artist's Paris. There's a reason artists like Picasso, Dali, and Van Gogh flock to Montmartre. Join a free walking tour through this bohemian village and find out why. From the Moulin Rouge to tucked-away squares where poets still dream, this is Paris at its most romantic. Pay what you feel and leave with priceless memories. Hidden Marais Tour. Paris' most charming quarter. Lastly, step into the Marais, where medieval meets modern. The Hidden Paris Marais Tour guides you through cobbled streets lined with centuries of secrets. Discover how this once swampy district became a hub of Jewish history, LGBTQ+ culture, and hidden elegance. It's quiet, it's quirky, and it's quintessentially Parisian. Paris is more than just a destination. It's a feeling, a rhythm, a story waiting to be discovered. These tours aren't just sightseeing. They're experiences, journeys, moments you'll carry forever. Which one are you booking first? Let us know in the comments. And if you love this list, hit that like button, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs a Paris adventure.